Well, the new year's rolling right along. It's time to get set up for a great one. I'm Sean Spencer with Homestead & Co. Realty, and here are some tips to make your spring come to life. This is the time to get your house ready to list and make that vision you have a reality. Much of what goes into getting a house ready to sell falls in line with that spring cleaning you already have on your mind. I'll put up a link with some more detailed info down below, but here are some quick tips on getting you on track. First off, set a schedule. It's easy to say we're going to get things done, but when we actually put a time frame on it, we get things done. Break it all down into smaller pieces, throw them on a calendar, and watch as you meet your goals and get your house in order. Next, declutter. This is a perfect time to get those things you have but no longer need taken care of. Set a space aside for some boxes. Start filling them with the whatnots and who's-its that just don't need to be around anymore. Maybe they'll go into a garage sale, maybe they'll get donated, but no matter what, they're off your plate. Also think of things that you may want to take with you to your next home and get them organized. If they need to be packed, this is a great time to get a jump on that part of moving. Best thing, you'll have a lot more space and a ton already done. Now on to walls and windows. Wiping down and cleaning up windows and walls will help you to see what may need to be touched up and what may need to be addressed. Paint chips, just a bit of an afternoon and you're good to go. Missing window screens? Great news, you're already on top of that and we'll have them replaced so your house looks amazing when you get it on market. Now it's time to tackle those kitchens and bathrooms. Getting into that kitchen is a great opportunity to declutter. All those mismatched storage containers, boom, tossed or donated, there's somebody else's problem now. Your pantry and refrigerator will love you once you get rid of all of those ingredients you never got around to using. Getting your appliances sparkling will really make your kitchen that much more appealing for those showings. Cleaning out and wiping down those cabinets will help you to see what touch-ups might need to be taken care of. Oh, and those bathrooms. Another spot that tends to just gather random items. A trash bag and some elbow grease and you're done. Again, going through those cabinets will help to know what touch-ups might be needed. I know you're gonna love that new shower curtain that you bought to brighten up the bathroom and set it off just right. This is also a great time to see to that toilet that's been running too long or might be a little loose and shaky. Get those things buttoned up and they won't be an issue as you get your house sold. Now it's on to heat and air. Hopefully you've been changing out your filters regularly and this is a time to get new ones in. Use a vacuum on those registers and they will look amazing to buyers looking to find the perfect house. That's a win-win. It's going to get busy soon, so be the first one on your block to get your house sold and make your neighbors jealous. What other questions do you have? Give me a shout at 405-625-2448 and we'll get you set for success.